Tonight we have the Career in a Year event, and this event is like an open house to let people in the community know what we have to offer through continuing education. We really are pushing training that we have that folks can do in 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, 12 months. We have some fabulous opportunities for folks. Tonight we have our CDL program. Folks have been driving the simulator. We have our EMS program. A lot of hands-on demonstrations going on tonight. So folks can get jobs and get back in the community, do short-term training.
I want them to take from this event that we offer diversity as well as good job security. Since the pandemic, a lot of people now, the thing is, they're not trying to go to school for a long time. They're now trying to get in and get out, and that's what we offer here in our Con Ed education department. We offer short-term programs for you to be able to get in and get out and be able to find a job within a month or two. Most of all of our career that we offer here, career programs we offer here, are based off of our consumer report as well as the jobs that are high in demand.
When people leave tonight from our Career in a Year event, I want them to know that Nash Community College has a lot of short-term training opportunities for them and their families. And so tonight was an opportunity for them to explore, get some hands-on training, hands-on demonstrations, to see what kind of jobs, training that's available in the community.